Hello. In this example, we will use Quick Pallet Maker to calculate a list of items that need to be shipped into containers. And prior to shipping into containers, these items need to be placed into boxes. Since there is a long list of items, and they have different dimensions, we must first choose which standard case we will use to fit these items. So the first step is to set up the standard cases. We may have a list within Quick Pallet Maker of different types of boxes, different classifications, and different suppliers. Okay? This is very important to use for shipping. Now, we will use new data sheet fill standard cases to load the items. They will be copied and pasted in this section, and we will select the box type. In this case, we will use this one, the NCO. We will use a slack of 10 centimeters per side to load them. Next, we will go to the data, the input data, that contains the information regarding the primary packages we want to ship into boxes. They have a column of amount, they have length, width, height, weight, and they have a color to differentiate them. We also have a code and a description. We copy these items and paste them to Quick Pallet Maker. We will see that they have been incorporated, and you can see the drawing for each one. Next, we will just calculate it since we already selected the box type. We obtain a list of boxes. Okay, here for instance 188 boxes of this type, one of this other type. We can see inside to see the contents and how they're used, how they're filled. Okay, and we can also generate a report for this. We select them all. Okay, and we go File, Save Report, and it will be an HTML report. Like, and we can just open it. Look for the report. And we just load it. We see that we have total number of packages, 146,000. These are the same number of packages that were here in this list. This was this sum. Okay. We have 962 boxes, and then we have the different types of boxes. We have 180 boxes with 234 items each one, and we have one box that has multiple types of items, and so on. This report can be printed and shared. Next step is to load these boxes onto a container. So we use a file, new data sheet, fill container window. Okay. And then we just drag the boxes after selecting them, we drag them to the container window, and we will see them here. We can choose, for instance, a 20-foot container to see how it fits, and we should get a result. We see that for this, we need 2 containers. Okay. You can see the shipment, we see that we need 2. Yep. Or we can also go back and just change the container size and use a 40-foot container and see the result. Here, we can also see the cost per box and the cost per item. It's not even a rounding error. Thank you.